Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a book box. So this box was introduced by an Instagram store which I discovered in June. So it's called the Shelfie box. So to know more about the book box, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for my future uploads. So there are three varieties. The first one is called the beachy box, the second one the lemonade box, and the third one is called the summer tide box. So there are different price ranges and they have different things in the box. So I chose the second box, which is the lemonade book box, which is priced for $7.99, and you get about 7 products plus you get a wooden box. So the box arrived very beautifully like this. The wooden box can be used for storage of your books or other essentials. So the very first thing you see is a very personalized note from the website, and the second product you see in the box is this very beautiful scented raspberry candle. So I really love this scented candle. Next product you see in the box are bookmarks. I really loved the bookmarks because some bookmarks had like quotes like this, chapter after chapter, bibliophile, and some had very pretty designs on it. I really loved how the bookmarks looked. So it's not a very usual bookmark or very plain bookmarks. I really loved this colorful artistic bookmarks. So next is a card which shows or which tells summer vibes playlist. So it contains a list of songs which can be heard, and it's perfect summer vibe. So as it was a little late due to all this lockdown and everything, this playlist can be heard even now. So the songs were really very nice. And next products are three novels. So here is a very good opportunity where you can select three novels from a list of around maybe 20 or 25 options, or if you want to get a surprised box, then you can just select around 10 or 15 from where they will send you three novels. So I chose my three novels because I didn't want any of my novels to get repeated. So the first one I chose was The Turtles All the Way Down by John Green, and next book was The Forest of Enchantment by Chitra, and the next was the To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, which is a classic novel. So, to talk about the quality of the books, they were all looking very new, and some were like told that they would send pre-owned books, but none of them looked like pre-owned books. They were so good in quality, and I was very happy to choose these three books from the list of options given for the novels. So the next product is a planner, or you can say it is a diary. So there were two options to select the planners. One was a summer vibe and one was playful colors. So I chose this one, and my sister chose the other one. Even she bought the box because it was a very good deal. Next products are three book corners which are handmade, and I really loved how the book corners looked. And there were two character cards. And the last product is called Ikhar. So it's kind of a roll-on fragrance which can be used on your skin as well as can be used on the books. So they say that the fragrance lasts for a really long time. So this product was quite an surprising product from in the box. So that's the last product in the box. So those were all of the products which I received in the box, and I really like the concept of the box because you get three novels at a very good affordable price, and also you get a planner, and you get a scented candle and some really cool bookmarks and book corners and character cards, which really young people and children would really love to have them. And this is the complete unboxing of the Shelfie boxes lemonade book box. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be meeting you all in my next video. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Bye.